Hey everyone, welcome to another Omarchy video series. In this video, I'll show you how to give the rounded corner to everything in Omarchy. That's from Waybar to Hyprlock to Walker to notification system called Mako and Hyprland itself. So just walking through. So this is at the top is the Waybar, um, and we can switch back to lock screen. This is the Hyperlock, and yeah, if you press the super alt and space, you get the um, unified menu system. This is part of walker. So if you type super and space, so this is the walker. And for instance, let's just send a notification. So you see, this is the Mako notification, and uh, and yeah, the Hyprland itself. So this border, you see, this is coming from Hyprland. So we'll go and give each of this uh, configuration, and we'll make sure that everything is rounded. So let's start with Waybar. So press super and enter to enter the terminal, and let's edit the Waybar style.css. So there's the border radius, and we can just give 10 pixel and save it. So I like 20 pixel, save it. So as you can see at the top, we can already see a very nice looking rounded corner. So yeah, that's all for the Waybar. So you're done. So next we'll go over the Hyperlock. So for this one, we'll use the unified menu system space alt, super alt space, and then go to setup, config, and Hyperlock. So the thing that we're looking for here is rounding option in input field, and yeah, just give 10, save it, and then go to the lock screen. So you can see there's a rounded corner. If you give 20, we'll add a bit more roundness. So yeah, I like to leave it to 20. So that's the Hyperlock. And next we'll go over to Walker. So yeah, so Walker is this thing. So super all space, and then we'll just go to setup, config, and Walker. So in here, we first need to go to the themes location directory. Just press GF in your Vim. It will take you to that directory. And then we're editing the Omarchy default.css. So go over there, and then we are editing the box container. And at the moment, its border radius is 0. So if we add 1 and save it, and spin the walker, so you can see the roundness. 20, see there's been roundness. So yeah, so also if you open up the unified menu system as well, you'll see the same thing because it's a walker. So that's it for the walker as well. So next is we'll edit for the Mako notification system. So for this, we need to hop over to the terminal, super and enter, and then we're editing the config Mako big. And at the bottom, you will see the border radius of 0. We'll just add 10, and we'll just save it. So at the moment, if we give a location shout out, we see that it's not updated because we need to run the Mako CTL below. So once that's done, we can turn on notification again, and you'll see that there's a roundness to it as well. So yeah, so that's all for the Mako as well. So the final is the Hyprland itself. So for that, we need to go to super all space, and then go to the setup config, and then Hyprland itself. So here we need to go over to the look and feel configuration. So yeah, I just pressed GF to go directly to that file, and you need to hop over to the decoration rounding value, and yeah, just change it to 10. Yeah, just save it, and yeah, you see there's roundness to it as well. Yeah, so yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope this was very helpful to give you that unique look to your Omarchy setup. I like this as well, and yeah, I'm looking forward to making more videos. And if you like this, just subscribe and like this, and yeah, do comment it to what you want to see next. So thank you very much. See you guys.